Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. Make sure you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another video like this one. And to all my returning subscribers, hi, welcome back, and I really appreciate you. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about two things you could use in your house to diffuse negative energy, tense energy, like argumentative, irritated, very angry energy, frustrated energy inside your house. These are two things that you can add and incorporate into your decorations. You can add them into little baggies and hang them over your house. It's only two things, and if you're interested in what they are, then keep on watching. These are the newest items on my shop. Some of these are already up and ready for you to purchase. Some of these are going to be available very, very soon. These are manifestation candles. They are for the intentions of love, protection, money, and so much more, you guys. Head over and browse around, and they are only available limited edition because once they're sold, they're really like pieces that I only make once or twice. So once they're gone, you guys. Head over and I'll talk to you soon. So the two things that you're gonna need to put in your house to get rid of anger and like chaos and irritation and fighting, stressful energy, insomnia in your house is amethyst. So I have an amethyst crystal right here. This is a pretty like bigger one. So you can have a bigger one. You can have a tumbled one. Or you can have like little chips like this. So I have little chips like this. So it's up to you, whatever is good for you, whatever is convenient for you. And then you're going to need this right here. And this is lavender. So you can actually use pure lavender like this from your garden. You can buy lavender on Amazon. You can get pure lavender tea. Just make sure that it's pure lavender. And what you're going to do is mix lavender with your amethyst crystals. So you could actually put your amethyst crystal, if you have a big chunk, on a bed of lavender like this, or if you have like a big chunky tumbled crystal, you can put that in your lavender, or you can mix chips like this inside your lavender and keep it in the places where you find in your house that the most tension might be, the most anger might be. So you're gonna put it there. This is for stressed energy, fighting energy, irritated energy, anxious energy, chaotic, insomniac energy. So it's actually even good for your bedside if you can't sleep. Try it and let me know in the comments down below how it works for you, because I know it will work for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know where you're going to keep, if you choose to use lavender, if you choose to use amethyst, or if you choose to mix them both together, where are you going to keep it and which one did you choose to use? I'm very curious. I love using both. I have lavender all around my house. I have amethyst crystals all around my house. And sometimes I do infuse them together in candles, or even in like, you can add like a amethyst crystal right next to a purple candle with lavender in it. There's a lot of things you could do and get creative with it, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.